Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for sponsorships and potentially get free parts from companies you'd like to work with. So the first step would be looking into the company and seeing if they provide sponsorships in the first place. So for Diode Dynamics, they actually do, and this is the screen on their website. So you could either put it as event support, individual vehicle sponsorship, which would be me, and then there's also the car club or team sponsorship. When I go to click individual vehicle sponsorship, it pops up this application, which I actually already have printed out, but here's a little look at it. Let's see. So there's 3 levels, it says. There's 40% discount, 50% discount, and then discretionary. I'm not sure what level 3 is, but yeah, the application is very simple. You just have to fill out some information, and then I think they ask for a cover letter, which, yeah, it's right here, and then 3 photos of your vehicle. The main reason why I wanted a sponsorship in the first place was because I wanted to get some reverse LEDs. After getting my Morimoto headlights, I really like the LED look, and I think it would look pretty clean with some reverse LEDs. So yeah, that's basically why, and if I can get it like half off or fully off, that would be really great, but it's worth a try because it's free, and then, you know, you never know what can happen. So the last step in the sponsorship is to write a cover letter, and I'm gonna leave the camera rolling so you're gonna see exactly what I say, and I hope I get this one because I really do want the reverse LEDs. So I know I said I'd leave it recording, but I actually forgot to press the record button. So here's the finished product. We'll see if I get it. I'll definitely make an install video if I end up getting the sponsorship, but if not, then hopefully this at least provided some information that's useful to you guys. Alright, see you guys at the next video.